Hey guys, Hunger Games King here. Before this video starts, I just want to tell you guys that, well, it's been a while since I've recorded this video, so my voice will sound really different. I'm about to upload this headset because I feel like electronics is also a big part of my hobbies as well as cars. So I have a Bose QC35, Quiet Comfort 35 2 unboxing on my channel. If you guys are interested, go check that out. The link will be in the description. Other than that, let's get right into the video.
Hey guys, Hunger Games King here. Today we are going to be unboxing this SKYWOO 2019 gaming headset. So you can get this for 35 bucks on Amazon. I got it for $25.19 because it was cheaper because of Prime Day. So let's get right into opening this. So inside of this bubble wrap is the headphones. So let's get it out of the bubble wrap. So here are the headphones. These are two cushions that will support your ears. This is a mic that you can talk into. Then these light up. I'll show you guys later on in the video. And if you want a full light up set, you guys should definitely also use the Lenru gaming mouse because it lights up as well. This is the 3 cables that come with it. There is 2 aux cords and 1 USB cord. So that's a look at the headphones themselves. And now we're gonna test them out. The ear cushions work really nicely, actually.
So it's been around 9 months since I bought this product. I'm going to be going over what happened in those 9 months and if it's still usable and if it's still comfortable, and you should buy it for reliability. So, this is the product 9 months after buying it. This is amazing quality. It did not tear or break down at all. But there are a few electronics things that we need to go over. We have the mic, which doesn't work. I tried hooking this up to Hangouts calls and Discord calls, but it just doesn't work, so I wouldn't buy it if you need a mic attached to your headphones. But if you just need a cheap gaming headset, well, this is the one for you. But hey, at least it held up better than the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 2s, which I reviewed a few months ago. These I reviewed in September. I bought this in July. This, as you can see, did not hold up very well, but this held up very well. So SKYWOO did do a pretty good job on the reliability, but this cable is way too long. I understand that some people have monitors like miles away from their computers, but this is way too long. This pretty much goes on my floor, and when I'm moving around my desk, it's very hard to manage. So I would definitely not recommend it if you don't have enough space, because then you'll definitely get the wire tangled up in your computer, in your chair. Now, the comfort is okay. My ears grew a little bit. That's something that, well, SKYWOO really can't help with. But these aren't big enough. They don't pretty much fit my ear anymore. They're circular. Compared to the Quiet Comfort 35 2s, which are kind of in an oval shape. Your ears are in an oval shape. The circular design is kind of a design flaw because it can't really fit your ear properly. Now it's time for the ultimate review. This is my opinion after the reliability and everything on the headphones. The price is an 8 out of 10. It's almost completely worth it, but it's not that worth it. Well, they do have some ups, but they have a lot of cons as well. It's almost there. They just need to keep innovating, but right now, it's not. Reliability, it's a 10 out of 10. Not much to say here. Well, sound is pretty good. I mean, it has surround sound, but it could be better. The microphone, it's a 1 out of 10. It just doesn't work. Just put in the comments below if it actually works and I just have a defective product. Comfort's a 5 out of 10. The cushion does not match your ear. Your ear is in an oval shape. The cushion is in a circle shape. SKYWOO, please change this. Overall, it's a 66%. It's not a very good headphone set. There are a lot better options out there, but a lot of them are only out there if you're willing to pay the money. This one is a cheaper option, even though a lot of things don't work and I wouldn't recommend it. You can go for this if you don't want to spend much money. And there we go. That's the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I will be doing more future uploads. Don't forget. Bye.